Alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong araw na naman. Ngayong araw ay Father's Day. Kaya samahan nyo ako, let's go! Alright guys, so yan, happy Father's Day today. Wow, happy Father's Day. So ngayong araw ay meron kaming family out meal. Treat ni Mrs. Arlene Colcol. Kaya pagbigyan natin. So ngayon tayo pa rin ang driver. Sa ang dalawang kids, ayan, nasa likod. So dito tayo sa promenade daan para maganda. Itong ngayong araw ay lumabas si Haring Araw. Napakainit ngayon, parang Pilipinas na temperature.
Time check.
Ang temperature ngayon ay 24 degrees. Tapos ang oras natin ngayon ay 5:40 ng hapon. Malapit na mag 6 o'clock. Pero napakainit. Lumabas yung si Haring Araw. Hi guys. Hello. Happy Father's Day to me. Yan guys. Diba? Ito ang, kung napapansin nyo guys, ito yung punong-puno ng mga big bikes last month. Ngayon wala na mga big bikes ngayon. Puro mga sasakyan na yung mga ditong naiwan. Dito napansin nyo dito noon guys, napakaraming mga bikes dito. Dito yung vlog ko noon na tt-tshirt.com na punong-puno ng bike hanggang doon sa may Villa Marina. Dito puro mga bikes dito dati. Ngayon wala na. Yan. Ang ganda ng promenade ngayon guys, oh. Ang dagat hindi maalon. Merong nagalagay ng tent dyan, no? Yung beach tent. Parang mga bata. Maganda sana maligo dyan sa dagat, kaso lang napakalamig. Mas ganyan kalamig, kainit dito pag naligo ka dyan sa dagat. Napakalamig yung tubig. Ayan guys, so wow. First time ko na hindi nakita dito ngayon yung horse tram. Wala siya. Ito na yung Villa Marina guys, in the right. Ito. Yan. Oh, wow. Tignan mo naman. Happy Father's Day everyone. Sa lahat ng mga fathers dyan, Happy Father's Day. Ito na guys, ang promenade. Wala na, tahimik na ngayon ang Isle of Man. Yan. Okay. guys, so yan o. Ito na yung kan guys, so, sea terminal. Approaching na tayo dito sa may sea terminal, pero hindi tayo papasok dyan. Kung tayo dito, ikot lang tayo. Dito yung sea terminal na guys. Yan. Ikot lang tayo dito. Diretso tayo. Alright. So, dito na tayo ngayon sa may Federal Square. Ito yung tinatawag na Federal Square. Yan, pumasok na tayo ng Bat Place. Yan. Akala ko dyan tayo. Wow. Alright. Ito ngayon guys. Meron akong mga video dati dito din. Ayan. Ito yung binibideo ko dati. Na nagpagawa ko ng aking sasakyan. Ngayon. Ayan. Mainit yan guys. Ito pala yung aking car. Oo. Hindi na mainit guys. Oh. Ang ganda na. Happy Father's Day everyone. Yahoo! Sa mga poste ng tahanan, Happy Father's Day. Malayo-layo yung biyahe natin ngayon guys. Nasa 10 minutes drive. Malayo pa ba yun? 10 minutes drive. Tignan nyo ang daan guys. Dito side by side, green na green. Kung winter ito guys, wala itong mga dahon. So ngayon, green na green. So full of green tayo ngayon, Father's Day kasi, kaya green. Yan. Okay ba ang screen? Hindi ba madilim? Ayan guys. Oh, diba? Hello everybody. Yahoo! Dito tayo. Ang ganda ng daan namin dito guys. Tahimik lang. Kasi wala nang event dito sa Iloman, kaya tahimik na. Guys, ayan, makita-kita na tayo doon sa reception. Okay. Alright guys, so dito na tayo sa may big roundabout ng Isle of Man. Ito yung pinakamalaking roundabout ng Isle of Man. Ito yung going to Douglas, going to airport Castletown, and going to Foxdale. So ito yung pinakamalaking roundabout dito. Mapapansin nyo, yan. So ito yung papuntang kaliwa, yan, papuntang airport. So gagawin tayo ng papuntang Foxdale. So ito yun. Alright, okay. Alright guys, so we have big tractor in front of me. I think it's going to Jackson, that car. So this is this is the main roundabout. So you doing like that? Alright. Okay, yeah, that's so fun. Alright, okay guys, so dito na tayo sa may Coil Road, Bradan. Dito na tayo sa may Bradan Robinson. Dito na tayo sa may Bradan Robinson. Okay. Light-light rin pala ang biyahe natin guys. Pero maganda, kaya walang traffic. Kasi wala nang event dito. So dito tayo, instead na papunta ng Foxdale, mag-turn right tayo dito. Papunta na tayo doon sa may reception ng ating restaurant. Ayan, so dito tayo. Dito na yung Canada Life International. Ayan, yung building. Dito na tayo po. Wow. Okay. So, dito tayo. Horse and Plow. Dito lang tayo guys. Oh. Pasok tayo dito. Wala tayong ma-parking ba?
Don't know. What is it? It's
private park. Saan naman? Pwede ba dito? Alright guys, so dito na tayo sa may horse and plow. Ito yung horse and plow guys. Ayan. So papasok tayo dito. Alright guys, ito horse and plow restaurant. Alright guys, so ito yung restaurant na pupunta natin. Ayan. Alright guys, yan. Ito yung restaurant na pupunta natin guys. Alright. Alright. So, dito tayo. Pasok tayo dito. Wow. Bar. Ano to? Ito guys. Dito tayo papasok. Parang busy ah. Dito tayo guys. Alright. So, dito tayo guys. Oh. Wow. Dito tayo. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa restaurant. Ayan. Order na ang mga pagkain. Hanap na tayo ng mga makain guys. Meat lovers. Dito tayo guys. Ito. Tay-tay pala to guys. Tay-tay restaurant. Ayan dito guys.
better have the meat than better have the meat.
Better have the meat.
Yung dalawa guys.
Yeah.
Shout out.
You want?
Wow.
You want lamb chop?
Oh, no.
Alright guys, tignan nyo guys. May green na bulaklak. Yan guys. Oh. Wow, ano to? Yan oh. Diba? Oh, diba? Yan guys. Oh. Happy Father's Day guys. Happy Father's Day. Ito malaki pala dito guys. Ganda rin pala dito. Wow. Happy Father's Day everyone. Oh, flower tayo ngayon guys. So ito. Ito. What did you say, Crystal? Crystal? Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah, happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, girls.
You need to give something, Crystal.
Oh no, it's in the car.
Oh no.
No, it's actually in the car. I told you it didn't fit.
You want to get it?
I know.
Borrow the keys then. Pick chicken broth. Or even if I want to. I'm gonna get one.
Wow. Alright. Happy Father's Day, everyone. Yeah. Is that
No, it's not off. That one.
ito yung reception niya, guys? Ito yung bar. Malaki pala. Ito yung bar. Labas tayo dito. Maganda ang panahon ngayon, guys. Alright, guys. Ayan, dito tayo. Lumabas lang tayo kasi ang init sa loob. Meron tayong inantay dito. Yan o. Hi! Alright, thank you. Thank you very much. Yahoo! Buksan natin kasi Father's Day. Dad, it's Father's Day. Woohoo! Woohoo! It's no writing. No writing. Oh wow! There, Dad. Happy Father's Day. I hope you have an amazing day, and I am very proud, grateful for what you do. Like cook food and cut my hair. Have a great day. You deserve it. From Ken. Very nice, Ken.
Nice haircut.
Nice haircut, Ken. Cook food and nice haircut. Dear Dad, happy Father's Day. I hope you have an amazing day, as you are the best dad in the world. Have a nice day. Love, Crystal. Thank you very much, Crystal.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, Ken. Study hard. Yeah. Study hard. Okay. Well done. All right. Cheers. Happy Father's Day. Dapat malamig na beer. That is Kent order, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Lamb.
Probably your back you can put
Chop.
in that wood there this time. So you cook,
Lamb
you can
chop.
put it because it's there now.
That's Kent order. Wow. Wow, that is
Is that Sprite yours? Crystal? Can you move a bit there because you cannot fit where.
That's my drink.
That's good. That's like
Thank you.
just like Thank you.
Okay.
Yes,
Enjoy your
thank
food.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We'll wait for your dad, yeah, before we start.
No, it's not going on Yummies. You know where it's going? No. You know where it's going?
Don't let me help her.
It's not Yummies. You know where it's going?
Mummies.
Kain-kain na. Tapos na eh. Ubus na guys eh. Yan guys oh. Ubus na guys. Yan, guys, oh. Tapos na ang kainan. Salamat sa Treat Island Colcon sa Father's Day.
Okay, guys. Pad Thai, chicken, Thai green curry.
Alright guys, so yan. Tapos na kami kumain. Gina-collect na. Ubos na lahat. Okay. Uy,
No, it's okay. Because I'm gonna go there.
anong nangyari? Alright guys, yan. Oh. Tapos na kaming kumain guys. Ayan. So maraming salamat sa libre. Salamat, Kristen. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Why are you smiling at me?
Thank you, Ken. Thank you. Happy Father's Day. Thank you, Arlene Colcon. Thank you very much. Ayan. Tingnan naman ninyo yung steak ko guys. Oh. Yung sisling ko naubos. Yan ang sisling. Ano nangyari? Na bagyo.
No, that's what I already
You
had
know?
to pick up them up this month.
Ubos.
So,
May naiwan. Ayan guys.
I don't know if anyone wants.
I had to take the biggest food that I've ever taken
Okay guys.
when I got home.
You go and pray in there, Krista?
Alright
What
guys.
is this? Are we going to pray there?
Yes, if you can do, please. Thank you very much.
Alright guys, yeah. Wow. It's Crystal is paying. Is Crystal paying? Thank you very much, Crystal.
You're welcome. Where do I go?
There in the other side or here. Just stand there. Someone's gonna go there.
Wow. Thank you very much, Crystal.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Crystal.
Come on.
Nabusog mats ako.
Open your daughter to prepare.
Alright guys, yan.
I was like, I reminded like after.
Tapos na kami guys. Ayan, dito na tayo. Ayan, oh. So, salamat. Salamat sa Treat Arlene Kulkul and Crystal Kulkul and Kent. Salamat sa inyong tatlo. Right guys, yan tapos na kaming kumain. Oh. Tignan naman nyo, maaraw pa rin. Time check guys is 7:15 ng gabi. Ayan. Nakabelar. Alright, so dito na tayo sa ating sakyan. Dito pa rin. I don't have the key. I don't have the key for my car now. So I don't know where is the key. I can't open now. Alright guys, so yan. Dito na nagtatapos ang aking vlog ngayon. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Ayan. Kaya magkita-kita naman tayo sa susunod na video guys. Kaya don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comments down below. Bye-bye!